Life is short. Make the most of it. This has been my life for the past year and a half. As you can see, it was time for a change. We left South Carolina at 6:30 in the morning. Made it to St. Louis in 2 days. Saw some fields. Drove through some tunnels. Oh yeah, and drank a lot of coffee. Day 3, Denver, Colorado. Got rained on a little. Saw some mountains. Oh yeah, and Luke might have freaked out a little bit.
Oh, dude, look at the pointy things. Look at those. Look at the pointy things. God, dude, that's great. Oh my God! Holy sh! Oh my God! Did you see that? Holy! Oh my God! Holy sh! Dude, look at this! Look at the ridge? Yes! Do you want to stop?
Day 7. Made it to the Salt Flats. Spent the night on the flats. Woke up the next morning and drove to Arches National Park. It was pretty wild. Day 12. Arrived in San Francisco.
What's up? Currently made it to the top of San Francisco Bridge over there, Golden Gate. Forgot what it was called for a second. Luke's down there.
Spent 3 days in the city. Finally got in and out. Got some gas. Made our way into Yosemite. It was truly incredible. After a week in Yosemite, we headed out. Made it to the beach just in time for a sunset. Finally took a shower, then hit the road again. Week 3, we made it to LA. Spent a few nights with some strangers. Took in the views. Caught another sunset.
Just made it to Joshua Tree. Last little bit of light is going down. Might stay here, might not. We'll see. So far, it's pretty dope though.
Oh yeah, we finally made it to my favorite place on earth. All in all, it was an incredible trip, and after 2 months on the road, we finally decided it was time to head home.
My name is Luke Robinson.
My name is Kevin Bradner, and this is our 2-month journey.